Hey guys, Pedro here. Just want to do a quick video on my edger. About 2 weeks ago I had an edger that crapped out on me, so I decided to pull this antique out of the shed. It's been in the shed for a lot longer than over 5 years. Just decided to get it out of the shed, try to fix it. I suspected that the carburetor was bad a few years ago, tried to get it going, I couldn't. Anyways, I found this carburetor kit on Amazon for like $17. So I ordered it and decided to try to repair this thing. So I'll put a link to that down below in case anybody's got the same model. This is a PE2000 Echo PE2000. So anyways, I'm gonna take the old one off, put the new one on, and hopefully she'll crank up. We'll see. All you gotta do is take this wing nut off the air filter right here, pop that cover off, pull the air filter out. Then there's two screws here. You can either use a Phillips head or a flat blade on these, and so you just unscrew these, unscrew these, okay. You also want to unhook these hoses here and a hose right below it. Whoops. That came out of the tank. I'll fix that later. Yeah, actually, you can pull that out that way if you want. And that one has a filter connected to it that's inside the tank, and you don't want to pull that out. So anyways, take these two out like that. Here's your carburetor. There's a gasket right here that came with a new gasket. You put that on there. Came with a new bulb too, priming bulb, and the carburetor. And you just take this, that comes off of there. Here's another gasket right here, goes right there on there like that. Try to get it to where you can. There's a filter. Yeah, there it is. There's a filter on that one on the inside. I actually replaced that filter. I think it might come with a kit. Not sure. We'll see. That's it. It's that simple, guys. You disconnect two hoses and pull two screws out and the wing nut off of it. Of course, you have this cable here too, the throttle cable that fits in here. When we put it back together, you'll see. Okay, so, oh lordy, yeah, this hose with the filter on it actually fits on that nipple there, and this other nipple, the hose fits on right there like that, and it just goes down inside there. Let's feed this hose back in there. Feed that back in. I'll put it all together and I'll fit that hose back in there. Fit your carburetor back. Put your two bolts in like this, right here on your carburetor. Fit them back in the holes right there. Bam. Tighten it back down. Everything's just in reverse. Just now let's crank her up. Okay, let's give her a crank and see what happens. Yeah, baby. Thing ain't running well over 5 years. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, take care and God bless.